So this is a Cuisinart yogurt maker. We're gonna take it apart to replace the Peltier element, which is this element here, which is the part that heats up and cools down at the same time, depending on what you need for the yogurt making. So the first thing you do is you take it apart by removing the screws on the bottom. I've also removed the screws on the inside. So once you do that, you will have this center plate here, and you take that out. So when you remove this cover, you need to take these 4 screws out to remove the fan. So to remove the front part of it, you need to, having the unit upside down, you need to push up, like upwards. Make sure you have a gap here. Next, you remove the bottom part. Have to pull hard. You expose the dissipator. So you'll find that you have a good amount of paste on top of each one of these screws. So remove the paste and remove the screws. So when I took this apart, I made a mistake and I broke off all the styrofoam that was surrounding this aluminum block. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is loosen the screws and get access to the element here. And this is normally what has failed. If you connect the unit and you measure the temperature, it should increase drastically. And if you don't see that means this is the element that has failed. So that's what we're going to replace. So I have the new unit here. If you need to find the replacement, just by the same number that you see there, if you can read it. This is what I used for mine. So I've replaced the element, and now I need to apply some thermal grease to both sides of it and also to both sides of the aluminum block. After that, you just step back on your assembly process and just put everything together.